So it girls night. Alia. Shan. Oh no, this one. Oh no, this one. So we are trying to decide what to order. Hopefully, this song here no copyright in my video. I'm a pink eye request. I'm gonna have pink eye. So yeah. The complaint will be Prep TV, that girl here. You know yourself, fam?
Restaurant area, what's this?
They must show you what you need to buy and the bus. Mr. Kris Jenner that you know? You know, tell the truth. You know, kind of believe, look like a Kris Jenner. The woman on the TV. You don't know Kim Kardashian and mother? Really, Sean, you don't know Kris Jenner? Yeah, Kris, K with a K. She don't know Kris Jenner, Uncle Bruce. You don't have to know Bruce, though. You don't have to know Bruce, though. Alia, how you feeling? You hungry? They must starve you, girl. Then give you some plant chips down. Plant chips and it done. And then just have water so the water, all the ice. The ice get cold and thing. My hot bag. My hot unicorn tears. My phone battery dead, so my flash now work feed. Basically get the same thing except Sasha gay. I tell her I look delish, so it's like aftermath. You finish, Alia? Yes, Ati. Macaroni and cheese will taste good. I don't like vegetables, so yeah.